Is your shutoff valve leaking even though it's completely closed? Don't worry, this is a common problem, and it's easier to fix than you think. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Let's take care of it quickly and safely without any special tools. Step 1. Leak type. First, make sure you're dealing with the correct leak. If water is dripping from the outlet while the valve is open, that's a different repair. But if the valve is fully closed and water is seeping from around the front nut near the handle, this is the fix you need. These valves are very common. You'll find them behind toilets, under kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, washing machines, and even outdoor faucets. Look closely at where the water's coming from. If it's leaking around the small nut at the front of the valve, that nut is called the packing nut. That's what we're going to adjust. Step 2. Tighten nut. For this repair, you only need one tool, an adjustable wrench. You can use channel locks if needed, but be careful not to damage the finish. Place the wrench on the front packing nut and turn it slightly to the right. Only a small turn is needed. Inside the valve, there is a washer that creates a seal around the valve stem. Over time, that washer can loosen and cause a leak. Tightening the packing nut gently compresses the washer and restores the seal. Do not over-tighten. That same nut also controls how easily the handle turns. If you tighten it too much, the handle may become stiff or completely stuck. If that happens, simply loosen the nut slightly until the handle moves smoothly again. If the nut is stuck, hold the body of the valve with a second wrench while turning the packing nut. This prevents the pipe from twisting inside the wall. Most of the time, a small adjustment completely stops the leak. Step 3. Test valve. After tightening, turn the valve handle on and off to make sure it still works properly. Then check carefully to confirm the leak is gone. It's a good idea to come back after a day or two and make sure everything is still dry. Keep in mind, some newer valves are different. They are called quarter turn valves and do not have a packing nut to adjust. If those leak from the front, they may need to be rebuilt instead. And that's it, a quick and simple fix that can save water and prevent bigger plumbing problems. Stay tuned for more easy home repair tips you can do yourself.